Hapreng gajeng ki jong kaseng Voice of the People Party kabala mi surok anu ni sngi ki beladap mandawa penbe thamai ka reservation policy nai kalyang jong menteri rang ba ka jala ukon rat sangma di malawai ka jalang juga kunhun menteri ka balong menin ka sngi hanang ba shalong ulah kren shai ba ka ïakren juga kunhun menteri lani ka jalang jong ka MDA ka banlong mata ka sngi ba komjuru ka jalang jong ka all party meeting ka banlong la shai ka sngi ka khandai tarik kanam ïakren ai halor ka reservation policy ni ka kan be thik tang roster system umpati na ba ka jalau kon rat sang ma ong habe kan mengino to khobor di malawai ka jalang juga kunhun menteri ba ka reservation policy kam dan setia ka agenda banyak keren ha ka jalang ha kan di sngi ke banwan nei ka ai ku kinya kan kan be thik tang halor ka roster system kini ka pen ba ka jingyalang ka balong sai ka sin la di kata ka all party meeting la di MDA ka balong mata ka singi kanum ïakren halor ka reservation policy kembala dawa da ka sang Voice of the People Party.
You plan to go ahead with the roster system, sir?
I cannot give you details of that because we have to give the presentation to everybody. But as I said, I have mentioned it earlier also that roster and recruitment is a continuous process. And after seeing the details of how a roster works and how the system will follow in the future and how the system has been in the past, as I said, detailed presentation was given. And all the cabinet colleagues were very satisfied after seeing the presentation. And the presentation was based on all facts and figures, looking at the reservation policy and looking at the complexities of roster system. And accordingly, as I said, a presentation was made. As we go along the next day or 2 days, I think the press also will be briefing them most probably day after tomorrow, after the all-party meeting takes place. And I think you'll be getting a clear picture by then.
So the Voice of the People Party have stated that the problem is not with the roster system, but it is with the reservation policy, and that is why they are demanding for immediate review of the policies. And your reaction?
As of now, the discussion that we have called for is regarding the roster system. So we are sticking to the roster system as of now. So we want to clarify on that and decide on how we should
The same political party has threatened to intensify their agitation, stating that the reservation policy in its present form is not proportionate. So what do you have to say?
As I said, we have not discussed on the reservation policy, and this is something that has been not in the agenda that is coming up in the next few days. Right now, we are talking about the roster system, and we're sticking to that as of now.